It's day 61, 2016, and you're watching Phone Arena Daily, your everyday fix of technology news. As promised, Microsoft is now taking orders for the first ever holographic computer, the HoloLens. The standalone head unit, which is not connected to any PC or phone, has its own holographic processing unit that creates 3D holograms and projects them onto see-through holographic lenses, which then overlay those holograms on the real world. But here's the thing, the current version, which is a developer edition, costs a bomb. Number one, it's $3,000, and number two, the technology is not really perfect as of now. It's got a limited field of view which projects into a rectangle, and it's basically, ironically, like looking into a window. So we hope that gets improved over the course of time, and currently this is for building an ecosystem of apps for the HoloLens before the actual consumer launch. So it's a really good move from Microsoft, but we have to wait longer to see what the consumer edition will pack. The next version of Android will be coming with interesting UI changes if a couple of mock-ups from Android Police are to be believed. Apparently they've had a glimpse at it. So what we have here is new quick toggles on the notification drop down. You don't have to swipe twice anymore, and you can indeed expand it to have pages of quick toggles, and obviously you can configure them. This is much in line with what we have already now, but there's also changes in terms of notifications. They are now full width, uncluttered and clear. Both the changes make more sense and make for really good direction in terms of UI changes. And Google I/O is coming soon, so we guess the next version of Android is not just about VR. We have new information about the 9.7-inch iPad Pro today, but sadly it's mostly about the cameras. It's a new 12 megapixel sensor for this one, and this is obviously trickling down from the new iPhones, while the original iPad Pro has an 8 megapixel camera. Well, this is information for people who care about the iPad Pro camera. Apple is not shy about its cameras on the iPad, and most people don't seem to care about taking pictures even with the iPad Pro. But then, yeah, you get upgrades, and if you're using it, it's good for you. Google has finally started selling VR units on the Google Store, in the US at least for now. Currently, it sells two models, the ViewMaster from Mattel, which already started selling in the Apple stores a while ago, and then the new Tech C1 Glass VR viewer. This is a new portable version of the cardboard viewer from Google themselves. So the ViewMaster, as you know, is based on the older one, and instead of showing just 3D photos, it can do VR now with 360 photos and videos. Of course, it's based on the cardboard viewer, but it's obviously made of plastic. And since Mattel is a toy brand, there are specific apps tailored for kids too. The new Tech C1 viewer is quite interesting. It's just a pair of lenses with a plastic frame. It's foldable and you can carry it anywhere. It's meant to be a portable cardboard solution, but it's obviously plastic again, and you can slot in the phone at the front. This will cost you $15, while the Mattel ViewMaster will cost you $30 in the US. The flagship race of 2016 has officially begun, and we are slowly getting to see more information about them. Apparently, the LG G5 has something minor the Galaxy S7 doesn't, which is the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 spec, the latest one for fast charging. Surely the Galaxy S7 has fast charging, but it seems the USB-C toting LG G5 has the Quick Charge 3.0 spec specifically, which Qualcomm claims is 40 to 50% more efficient. This move might signal that Samsung could have looked for parity between the Exynos and the Snapdragon variants, so they might not have included the branding, or maybe it's the same tech in the two phones. We don't know yet, but it will be interesting to see if there are any differences. And this brings us to today's discussion topic. Do you really think the change in charging technologies are going to make a difference? Let us know in the comment section below, and that's about it for today's show. See you tomorrow with more technology news. Thanks for watching.